on camera. Jesus.
Which was removed from there and put on the path and is now...
Oh, he's part there, Stevie Wonder.
So what does it mean effectively? It just means exit, whether it's a noun or whether it's a verb. So the verb to egress is to go out or to leave a place.
That's the one that lives down by Jamie.
Yeah.
Come on, you best come the rest of the way if you come in.
You're in the middle of the road now, so... Wrong way down the road there, young man.
Remember anything that happened today.
Oh, well done you!
Oh, you should have probably stopped.
Good.
Booked for a later date, taking the bargain with little risk. You'll have that tight end soon then.
Thank you. Trailfinders, the travel experts.
Pay for big things. You've already...
Mate. Just go higher than first gear, you know.
Yeah, he's coming into this lane.
It's half asleep.
Idiot! Me! Again.
Yeah. Oh, the same one from earlier.
Yeah.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
Whoa.
Red lights. What a
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Grab my glasses, I'm out the door, I'm gone.
That's still red. Is he got like a mouse organ?
It is. Check out the Facebook page, check out the website, drop them a message. And what in dick? Honestly. Oh, whoops a daisy.
Business communities and rethink the whole way we vote for or pay.
Don't fancy lane 1 or lane 2?
They get paid a decent enough salary to be able to get
No.
decent people in, because they're all idiots.
Alright, not for you.
That's David's.
Music to come a little bit later on in the show. After 12, of course, Midnight Mix, where we have some fantastic back-to-back tracks. Looking forward to that. And also in an hour's time, exactly, we will...
Come on, mate, do you want to go faster than 10 miles an hour? Driving on your brakes, God knows, some strange reason.
What the?
Oh my.
Right, okay.
Okay. Missing both front and rear number plates. That's perfectly probably fine and legal.
To put your brakes on, but no, he really should have waited. That was a bad place to overtake.
So, oh right, I'll just have to get. Well, I'm still in the car when I wait. Phone down! Put your phone down! Get your phone down! Put your phone down! You're on camera! You are on camera. She's on camera. Yeah, she's on camera. Yeah. Robin Hood Dashcam, stupid car. Yeah. Let's a look. Good toss. I shared a phone in around then still. Yeah. Stupid car.
And now they're going to overtake him on the bend. Oh, you numbnut. That's way too close. Have you not heard about what you should do?
Oh, what a bell end. Is someone in the wrong lane? You knob. You scare you? I saw him come in. He was a bit tight there, wasn't he?
Necessary risks. It's, on the other side of the spectrum, you've got
Forest Pine, I believe. Nice, bit of chod there.
Where you f***ing going? What side of the road you on? You don't come on. You wanker! You f***ing wanker!